It's always amazing to me as you take a little ball into any country in the world, and regardless of culture, ethnicity, race, language, there's a common bond.
People in relationships are prioritized over tasks, and it's always better to accomplish tasks together.
Man, if I had an Egyptian pound for every time I said, "You boys be careful."
Egypt is a beautiful country filled with amazing people. Being able to share and learn about their culture was a great experience.
The coaches that we got to spend time with, learn from, and share a bit of our experience with are the things that mean the most.
I am so glad that each and every single one of us said yes to the invitation.